How to fix Snapchat device ban on iOS. Let's get started. Open your Settings app, scroll down, hit towards the option of General, open this option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now close this, open your App Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your Snapchat app to its latest version. Once you update it, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open any of the browser. Now type in help.snapchat.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Snapchat support. Now scroll down, click on this option of Contact Us. Click on this option of I can't access my account. Scroll down. Click on this option of I can't create my account. Still need help? Click on Yes. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, type in your username and then email address. Type in your mobile number that is linked with your account. And then over here, you have to explain about your issue. Once you fill this, click on the option of Submit. After you submit your report, Snapchat support will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that, your problem will be fixed. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat device ban on iOS. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.